Ever dreamed of waking up in Bali, billing clients in London, and paying zero tax? That's not a fantasy anymore, that's strategy. And it's exactly what we're breaking down today. Welcome back to Rich Layer, where smart people learn how to escape the 9-to-5, live freely, and build global wealth. Today's topic? How to use digital nomad visas and offshore structures together to create a location-independent, tax-optimized lifestyle, legally. This isn't about hiding money. This is about living smart and building a system that works for you, not against you. Let's get into it. Why this matters. If you work online and earn a decent income, you've probably realized something: your biggest expense isn't rent. It's tax. Now imagine slashing your tax rate or eliminating it completely while living in beautiful, low-cost countries. That's what digital nomad visas make possible. And if you combine that with a strategic offshore company in a zero-tax country, you're not just living the dream, you're stacking capital like the wealthy do. What is a digital nomad visa? Digital nomad visas are government-issued permits that allow remote workers to legally live in a foreign country while working for a non-local employer or running their own online business. They usually offer legal residency for 6 to 24 months. No local tax obligations, in many cases. Access to housing, banking, and healthcare. An official path to stay beyond tourist limits. Over 50 countries now offer some form of digital nomad visa, and the list is growing. But here's the catch: not all visas are tax-friendly. Some make you a tax resident. Others don't. So choosing the right country matters. Best countries for digital nomad visas with low or no tax. Let's break down the top picks where you can legally live and work remotely without getting hammered by taxes. United Arab Emirates, UAE. Remote work visa available. 0% income tax. High quality of life. Great for setting up a business. Visa lasts 1 year, renewable. Minimum income, $3,500 per month. Portugal, D7 visa or digital nomad visa. 10-year non-habitual resident, NHR, tax scheme. Low tax on foreign income. Beautiful lifestyle, EU access. Be aware of changing rules post-2024. Georgia, remotely from Georgia program. 1-year visa for remote workers. No tax for less than 183 days of stay. Fast bank setup, low cost of living. Costa Rica, rentista visa. 2-year visa. No tax on foreign-sourced income. Income requirement, $2,500 per month. Thailand, long-term resident visa. Targets high earners and digital professionals. 0% tax on foreign income, if not remitted. 10-year residency potential. Each of these countries has pros and cons, so research the local tax residency rules carefully. We'll cover that more in a future video. Why add an offshore setup? Let's be real, a visa gives you permission to live somewhere. But an offshore business gives you power. When you register your business in a tax-free zone, get paid through your company, draw a salary or dividends when needed, you're building a proper structure. That means legal tax efficiency, clean paper trail for global banking, better asset protection, more credibility for clients or partners. This is how wealthy people operate. They don't freelance from personal PayPal accounts. They structure their lives. Where to open your offshore company? Here are 3 top-tier options for location-independent entrepreneurs. UAE Free Zone Company, IFZA, Maiden, Shams. 100% foreign ownership. No income or corporate tax, under 375k AED. Visa and Emirates ID included. Fully remote setup possible. Estonian e-residency company. 100% digital. EU company with banking access. 0% corporate tax if profits are reinvested. Great for solo founders. Delaware LLC, for US-aligned businesses. Low cost. Pass-through taxation. Worldwide credibility. Great for striped PayPal accounts. Bonus pick, Georgia LLC. Low cost. English-speaking banks. Easy setup and maintenance. You'll also want to pair your company with a multi-currency business bank account, such as Wise Business, Payoneer, or an Emirates NBD corporate account if you go the UAE route. How to structure it all together. Here's the simple model. Live on a digital nomad visa in a country with low to no personal income tax. Register your business offshore, not in your passport country. Bill clients through your company, not as an individual. Get paid into a corporate account, then transfer salary or dividends as needed. Stay under 183 days in any high-tax country to avoid triggering tax residency. This structure isn't dodging taxes. It's building your life like a global business, because that's what you are. Common mistakes to avoid. Assuming every digital nomad visa means 0% tax. Some countries do tax you if you stay too long or trigger residency. Mixing personal and business accounts. Using your passport country to register your company. Not tracking your travel days. That can make or break your tax residency status. Ignoring local reporting requirements. Final thoughts. Digital nomadism is no longer a trend, it's a movement. And the winners will be those who treat it like a business. By combining the legal flexibility of a digital nomad visa with the power and protection of an offshore company and the discipline of clean financial structure, you're setting yourself up to live tax smart, borderless, and free. Would you build this lifestyle for yourself? Which country would you pick as your base? Drop it in the comments. If this video helped, hit that like button, share it with your fellow remote workers, and subscribe to Rich Layer, because next time, we're breaking down the best offshore banks for international entrepreneurs, and how to open one, even from your sofa. See you there.